Hey everyone, welcome back to another maths tutorial. In this video we're learning about area and perimeter algebra problems. When we deal with shapes that have variable or unknown side lengths, we represent their area and perimeter using algebraic expressions. Let's start with rectangles. For a rectangle, the area equals length times width, so A equals L multiplied by W. The perimeter is the total distance around the shape, so P equals 2, L plus 2, W for a square. All sides are equal, so the area equals L squared, and the perimeter equals 4L. Because each side is the same, we just multiply one side by 4. Now remember these important symbols. A stands for area, P stands for perimeter, L for length, and W for width. These formulas help us find relationships between sides, even when we don't know the exact numbers. Let's look at an example. If a rectangle has a length of x plus 3 and a width of x minus 2, then the area would be open. Bracket x plus 3, close bracket, times. Open bracket, x minus 2, close bracket. Expanding this gives x squared plus x minus 6, and the perimeter would be 2 times x plus 3 plus 2 times x minus 2. Simplify that to get 4x plus 2. This shows how algebra can describe the geometry of shapes even without specific measurements. So to summarize, for rectangles, A equals LW, and P equals 2L plus 2W. For squares, A equals L squared, and P equals 4L. These are the building blocks of algebraic geometry. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more maths tutorials.